Here's another way of creating an estimate via the opportunities level. So let's just say that we do have the IS229X and we have to create an estimate for Nikkei contracting for Anas Hashmi. So, alright, now we see that it is under the stage estimate sent, negotiating follow-up, and that we have the contact information of Anas here. Let's go to the tab estimates and let's add a line. So you can see a while ago there are multiple customers or GC that we need to send our estimate to, and also multiple contacts in here. That is why when you create an estimate, when you begin an estimate, you are still asked to link it to the customer, because maybe in the opportunity there are multiple customers that are already waiting for our estimate. So this time we have to add it for Anas Hashmi. So there you go. The payment terms would be 50% deposit. Okay, and then we do have the drawings as reference. Oops, sorry. So reference here. Now, a while ago, you saw me saving and closing, and then saving it at opportunity level. But this time, we're going directly by adding the line items here. So here you go. Okay. See. Quantities 237. Next. 11. 68. Next one. This one. 105. Okay, this is the next item. It's 3. It's 58. Okay, here. That's 650. So that's for installation. The price is 4750. Now, as you can see that the subtotal would be 9891, and then let's add a sales tax. Right, so save and close. Then again, you don't have the estimate number yet, so you have to close that or save it. Alright, there you go. You do have your estimate for Anas Hashmi. Now, if you wanted to look at it, see how it would look like. Alright, so let's go up top. So sign type B1, as you can see, sign type C1, and then we do have the F6, and then sign type E, the M5, closeout samples, and the installation all accounted for. And the total is 10768. Oh, okay, sorry, I didn't see that. There's no sales tax for this one, so I'm going to remove this. have to edit. Just go back there, remove the sales tax, and you will have that same total amount. Let's save, then save again, so you'll have that here. Okay, so let's look at it again. No sales tax. There you go. So that's another way of making an estimate in Odoo.